In this video, I will show you how you can delete subscribed calendars on any iPad. Now there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just open the calendar app. Then tap on the calendar icon at the upper left corner on the screen. And under On My iPad, you will find all your calendars on this iPad. Now to delete a subscribed calendar, just tap on the eye icon in front of the calendar name and select Delete Calendar. Tap on Delete Calendar, and after you do that, you will delete that specific calendar from your iPad. But if your calendars are synced with your email address, then for that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. From here, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Calendar app. Then tap on it, and from here, just tap on Calendar Accounts. And over here, you will find all the email address on your iPad. Now to disable the calendar for one specific email address, now let's say if it is Gmail, just select the email address and disable the toggle for calendar from here. After that, just select Delete from my iPad, and by doing that, you will remove all the calendars which are synced from that specific email address from your iPad. Or you can select Delete Account, and by doing that, you will remove that specific email account from your iPad. But keep in mind that by doing that, you'll remove all the data on your iPad which are synced with that specific email address. And this is how you can delete subscribed calendars on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.